Welcome back to Killer Sudoku. In Lesson 5, we'll introduce a new technique called Balance the Threes to solve the puzzle. Step 5, Balance the Twos. Block 9. Complete the sum. Balance the first 9 sum in row 3. Balance the 8 sum in row 3. Balance the second 9 sum in row 3. Balance the 7 sum in row 4. Apply the 3-4 double in block 6 to block 6 and column 7. Balance the 9 sum in row 5. Balance the 6 sum in row 7. Apply the 2-5 double in block 9 to block 9 and column 9. Block 9. Balance the 15 sum in row 8. Apply the 6-9 double in block 7 to block 7. Balance the 9 sum in row 8. Apply the 1-8 double in block 8 to block 8 and row 8. Balance the 10 sum in row 9. Balance the 11 sum in row 9. Balance the 9 sum in row 9. 9 minus 1 leaves 8. Apply the 3-5 double in block 8 to block 8 and row 9. Block 8. Complete the sum. Block 9. Block 7. Balance the first 9 sum in row 3. In the 16 sum in block 3, 2 of the squares are a 4-7 double totaling 11, so the third square is a 5. Block 3. Block 6. In the 24 sum in block 3, the remaining 2 squares total 9. The only 9 is 8 and 1. Balance the 15 sum in row 1. 15 minus 2 leaves 13. Balance the 8 sum in row 3. Balance the second 9 sum in row 3. Balance the 9 sum in row 5. Step 6, balance the 3s. Okay, all the 2's are balanced. Now we need to proceed to the next technique, which is to balance the 3s. We are looking for sums with 3 squares where one of the squares has only 2 candidates and another has no more than 4. 3 and 3 is also acceptable. Look at the 13 sum in row 1. We have a square with just 2 candidates and another square with 3. Using pencil and paper, write 5, 6 on the first line, 6, 8, 9 on the second line, 2, 5, 6, 7 on the third line. The target number is 13. Now we'll try all 6 combinations of the first 2 lines to see if we can find the number on the third line that adds up to 13. Underline those numbers. Don't forget, you can't use the same number twice within a set. 5 and 6 is 11 plus 2 is equal to 13. Yes. 5 and 8 is 13. Nope. 5 and 9 is 14. Nope. 6 and 6. Nope. 6 and 8 is 14. Nope. 6 and 9 is 15. Nope. Wow, that was better than expected. We solved the 3 squares. The 5, 6 is a 5. The 6, 8, 9 is a 6. And the 2, 5, 6, 7 is a 2. Balance the 15 sum in row 1. 15 minus 2 leaves 13. Apply the 4, 9 double in block 2 to block 2 and row 1. Apply the 2, 7 double in block 2 to row 3. Block 2. Block 1. Block 3. Block 1. Block 7. Balance the first 9 sum in row 3. Apply the 4, 5 double in column 1 to column 1. Balance the 8 sum in row 3. Balance the second 9 sum in row 3. Apply the 2, 7 double in column 6 to column 6. In the 21 sum in row 4, 3 of the squares are a 1, 3, 9 triple totaling 13, so the fourth square is an 8. Balance the 20 sum in row 5 using pencil and paper. Write 1, 7 on the first line, 6, 7, 9 on the second line, 1, 6, 7, 9 on the third line. The target number is 20 minus 3 leaves 17. 1 and 6 is 7. Nope. 1 and 7 is 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Yes. 1 and 9 is 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. Yes. 7 and 6 is 13. Nope. 7 and 7. Nope. 7 and 9 is 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. Yes. Okay, we can eliminate both 6's. That creates a 1, 7, 9 triple. Apply the 179 triple to column 1. Block 1. Balance the 14 sum in row 6 using pencil and paper. Write 1-5 on the first line, 1-5-7 on the second line, 2-3-4-6 on the third line. The target number is 14. 1 and 1. Nope. 1 and 5 is 6. Nope. 1 and 7 is 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Yes. 5 and 1 is 6. Nope. 5 and 5. Nope. 5 and 7 is 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Yes. Okay, the 157 is a 7 and we can eliminate the 3-4. Block 7. Complete the sum. Block 1. Block 4. Block 6. Apply the 139 triple in block 5 to block 5. Block 5. Complete the sum. Block 5. Block 2. Block 8. Block 2. Block 4. Complete the sum. Block 5. Block 6. Block 1. Well, that took some effort, but by adding the balancing of the threes, we were able to solve the puzzle. This concludes lesson 5. In lesson 6, we'll start on a very difficult expert level puzzle which we'll solve in the next 4 lessons.